Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can set up free VPN service from Amazon Web Services. These services will be free for 12 months. Then after that you will get charged. So please follow step by step to set up the VPN successfully. So let's begin. Let's go to aws.amazon or portal.aws.amazon.com to sign up for a free account. As you can see on the sign up page, AWS accounts include 12 months of free tier access, including use of Amazon EC2, Amazon S3, and Amazon DynamoDB. So we will be using Amazon EC2 to set up our account for the VPN. After successful login, you will land in this page. There are a lot of information that you can go over on this page. On the top right corner, you will see my account, sign in to the console, and that's where we want to go, sign in to the console. Once you sign in, you will see services on the left corner. We want to click there, go to compute and select EC2. So you will land in this page. You want to go to launch instance on the middle of the page. We want to launch that. I think you'll see the drop down there. Yes, and you want to click there. Once you click there, you will land in this page. So what we want to do is we want to go to a AWS marketplace, or you can search from the top box as well. So you can see the free tier only account. These are the stuff that you can run free on this account. So you can go over a lot of the information that you really want to go. There are paid version of the OpenVpN. That's what we are going to install, or that's what we gonna use as our free VPN services on this free account. So before you land into this page, you might get an option, or you might have to input your credit card details in the sign up page. So you won't get charged. That's just for later in the future. If you keep using, then they will charge your card from there. So you wanna land to AWS marketplace, or you wanna search OpenVPN. So what you wanna do is you wanna look for free tier eligible. So that's what we are looking for on this one. You don't want to select the thin device, or you don't want to select 5 connected device, that they will charge you for that. So we're going to go to OpenVPN access server, free tier eligible. Click there, then you will land in this page. On the right side, you will see total pricing. If you select certain hosting for this account, but we wanna get the free version of it, so we just want to continue on this. After that, you will land in the page which will show you what kind of tier services you want to go to. We want to select free tier eligible, which is highlighted in the green. That's what we want to go and select that, so you won't get charged for the 1 year service. Hit review and launch. You will land in this page. Just go over the information if you want to go, then hit launch. Now this is the important part. You want to select create a new key pair. You need this later on to set it up. So you want to give a name for your key pair and download. You want to make sure you download this, then hit launch again. It will set up the information it will require to set up your OpenVPN. So let's wait until this is done. You will land in this page. You will see your instance are now launching. Hit on that. Once everything is done, you will land in this page. As you can see, the instance status, it is running. So that's what we want to see. It might take a little time to propagate this setting. Just give a little bit of time. If you don't see it right away, select that, right click and hit connect. Then you will see this page where it has EC2 instance connect, session manager and SSH client. We want to go to SSH client. That's what we need. We don't want to do EC2 instance connect. I think I tried to hit that and connect. Somehow I didn't set it up correctly, so it didn't work for me. As you can see, it says error. So I think you've got to set it up in a different way, which I don't want to do from here. I want to go through the SSH client. So we want to copy the example where it says SSH minus I, then the name. That's what we want to select. So I will just copy that. Once you copy this, you want to open Windows Command Prompt or Windows PowerShell, whichever you want to open. I will open the Windows PowerShell. Once you open up, just paste your code that you just copied. And we will need to change one thing in this command. We need to give the name of the directory that we downloaded that file to. Mine is currently in downloads, so I will need to add that link, otherwise it won't find the file. That file would be .pem. So that's what we want to give the directory. I think I'm typing in the wrong place. It won't work. I need to give the directory name front of the name. So I'll paste my command, go to front of the name, then I will type downloads slash then the name and .pem file, whatever name you gave it before you downloaded the file. So once you give this directory name, just hit enter. Then what you wanna type here is yes. If you just type Y, it won't work. You need to give a full yes. Then it will start doing whatever it need to do. Then you'll type yes again. Then after that, just keep hitting enter, 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 enter until you reach this point. Then once this is done, you can read on the bottom side. It will say what you need to use to log in. You can change the password. Later on, we will require the password to log into our OpenVPN, not as a root, but as a user as well. As a root, I believe you can set up the user account. but you'll need to use the OpenVPN as a user and a password, whatever you want to keep. So after this, what you need to do is you need to select the same command that you previously copied, uh, the same link. Then the one thing that you want to replace is you want to replace root with the OpenVPS and hit enter. So I think I might not have done it here. I tried to copy it, didn't work, and I forget to record the screen for that part. So what you want to do is you want to copy the same command that you just enter on the top with the download links, the directory links, but what you want to replace is instead of root, you want to replace with the OpenVPS. As you can read after the successful completion of the first command, there will be in the bottom side which will say use OpenVPS, I believe. That's what you want to use to replace the root. Then it will complete the setup. After that, our uh, setup is done, and you want to replace your, change your password for the OpenVPN. So you can log in after that successfully. Right now I'm changing my password. I already completed the process that I just mentioned. So once this is done, what you want to do is you want to go back to the page, and you're going to drag a little bit down. You will see your public IP4 address. You want to copy that. So once you copy the address, you want to make sure that everything looks correct. You can go over the information in this section. You can go to security, networking, storage, status check, monitoring, and tags. I don't want to go to any of them. I just want to go to my browser and type in the copied address and hit enter. As you can see, it will show OpenVPN access server. You can click any of the platform that you wanna download the OpenVPN to. You can use for the iOS, Android, Windows. So what I want to do is I want to go to my admin account. Then I will enter OpenVPN as my username, and the password is the password that we changed. So hit enter, agree, then it will take you to this place. The first thing what we want to go to is we want to go to VPN settings and go a little bit down on the routing section. On the second last, it says should client internet traffic be routed through the VPN. So we want to select yes. We want to reroute everything through the VPN. So and hit save changes. If you don't select that, the traffic won't be rerouted. So we want to save these changes, and we want to hit update running server on the top to make sure the everything is updated and running. Now everything is set up. The one thing that I will need to do is we need to log in using the user account so we can download the application. So I will download the OpenVPN for Windows since I'm using the Windows computer. So I will download that. Once it is downloaded, you can run the application. The Windows will say you wanna make sure you wanna run this application. I'll just go ahead and say yes, and it will see for the space required for this application in the Windows system. So let's wait until it will on highlight the next. So now the next is on. Hit next. Agree to the terms and condition. Then install. Installing OpenVpn Connect. You can also use the OpenVpn Connect in your phone. You just have to remember the IP address, the public IP address from the server, and the username and password for the OpenVPN, which is the default admin. I think you can add some more user as well, but I'm not gonna do that on this video. So once everything is installed and completed, you should be able to log in. In the bottom right corner, you will see OpenVPN. Open that. Just cancel this, agree, and OK, and turn it on. It has already selected the IP address default, so you don't have to plug it in. Use your credential, OpenVPN username and password, and connect. As you can see, it is connected. We successfully connected to the VPN that we just created. So you can go back and check your IP. I'll go to Google and type in what's my IP. As you can see, this is not my IP address. So we have successfully set up the VPN. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.